Hello students, it's grade 4 block 6 elapsed time block 6 grade 4 converting the time. The duration of an event is the amount of time it lasts. अब हमें टाइम को कन्वर्ट करते आना चाहिए. कन्वर्ट मतलब चेंज करते आना चाहिए. हाउ मेनी आवर्स, आवर्स को मिनट्स में चेंज करते आना चाहिए और मिनट्स को आवर्स में चेंज करते आना चाहिए. तो हम लेट्स सी कैसे उसे चेंज करते हैं. तो आज हम वही सीखेंगे इस लेसन में. टू कन्वर्ट मिनट्स इनटू आवर्स वी हैव टू डिवाइड बाय 60. कन्वर्टिंग time, and to convert minutes into hours, divide by 60, and to convert hours into minutes, multiply by 60. So by using with this rule we have to solve the questions on page number 30. You have the questions on page number 30. Convert hours into minutes and minutes into hours. So this question we are going to solve. Let's see how to solve the question. How many hours means here you have given how many hours. 3 hours के कितने मिनट होते हैं. 3 hours के कितने मिनट होते हैं. So हमने क्या सीखा है. टू कन्वर्ट आवर्स इनटू मिनट्स. यहाँ पे पूछे मिनट्स. तो हम क्या करेंगे कि 3 आवर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 60 से. 60 multiplied by 3. 300, 3 6 18, 180. So 3 hours is equal to 180 minutes. And the second question is 160 minutes means how many hours. So what we have to do to convert this minutes into hours, we have to divide it. So हम इसे divide करेंगे 60 से. One 60 minutes इसे डिवाइड करेंगे हम 60 से. हमने डिवीजन सीखी है हमारे लास्ट लेसन में. अभी ये 0 हम बात साइड में रखेंगे. 6 के रेट में 36 आ रहा है. 6 6 36. सो 66 36 360. So this means 360 minutes is equal to 6 hours. We are studying the lesson further, the next part of the lesson. We have studied in our last video that how to convert the time, and today we are going to study how to add and subtract the time. So how can we do that? Let's see with this example. On your maths textbook page number 33, The exercise is given. You have to add 1 hour 30 minutes in 45 minutes. So for this we will make columns for hours and minutes. One hour 30 minutes. Hour is 1 and minute 30. And you have to add this with 45 minutes. 0 hours is there. So 5, 4 and 3, 7, and this 1 hour is left. 75 minutes has gone beyond 60. So we have to minus 60 from this, because 60 minutes has 1 hour, and we will take this 1 hour, we will add this 1 hour here. Fifteen minutes and 1 hour here, so 2 hours, 1 and 1 2, so 2 hours 15 minutes we get. If we add 1 hour 30 minutes into 45 minutes, we get 2 hours 15 minutes. Now like this you have to solve B. Three hours 45 minutes, 7 hours 15 minutes, and you have to add this time. 5 and 5 10, carry 1, 4 and 2 6, 7 and 3 10. 10 hours 60 minutes, and you know very well 60 minutes has 1 hour is equal to 1 hour. So I will take this 1 hour here. We add this 60 minutes here, 1 hour. So this means 11 hours. Like this you have to subtract the time also. You can subtract the time also. The question number C. 6 hours 15 minutes subtract 35 minutes. 6 hours 15 minutes, and from that you have to subtract 35 minutes. How can you subtract? You will borrow 1 hour from this 6 hours. 1 hour means you know very well 60 minutes. So this 6 will change into 5, because you are borrowing 1 hour, and here you will add 60. You will get 75, and from this 75 minutes you will subtract 35 minutes. You will get 40 minutes. So 5 hours and 40 minutes. Like this you have to solve the other examples. Seven hours 15 minutes, and from this 7 hours 15 minutes you have to subtract 55 minutes. Again from 15 minutes we cannot subtract 55 minutes, so from this hour we will borrow 1 hour. So here remains 6, and we will add 60 minutes here. Again we will get 75 minutes. 0 7 5, it will get 20. 6 hours 20 minutes. Our answer is 6 hours 20 minutes. So like this you have to solve the exercise. And the second question of this exercise is: a train left Allahabad station at 1:20 p.m. It reached the last station at 4:10 p.m. How long was the journey? So you have to make a timeline here. You have to make a timeline. 1 p.m., 2 p.m., 3 p.m. and 4 p.m. This is the timeline. One p.m. 1 p.m., 2 p.m., 3 p.m. and 4 p.m. This is the timeline. A train left Elapsed station at 1:20. So starting time is 1:20. Here 1:20. And you have to count this time. 1:20 to this